Hi, I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Parke Veterinary Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about the Lorikeet and the Lory. Lorikeet and Lory are descriptive terms that are sometimes used interchangeably. Generally, lorikeets are small parrots with longer tails, and lories are larger than lorikeets and have shorter tails. They are nectar eaters and therefore need special diets. They are not designed to eat seeds. Because of their diet, they also produce large amounts of wet stool. Keep this in mind when deciding whether or not to get one as a pet. In their adult size, they are 5 to 12 inches depending on the species. Their enclosure temperature range should be a normal household temperature of 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Lorikeets and Lories are diurnal. The genders look the same for most lorikeets and lories, but there are some exceptions. For example, the fairy lorikeet. Their lifespan is 15 to 20 years. Their enclosure, you'll want a minimum cage size of 24 inches by 24 inches by 30, but bigger is better. Lorikeets and Lories need room to exercise. The cage bars should be no further than 3/8 to 3/4 inch apart. And you want to place the cage away from drafts and out of direct sunlight. So the equipment that you'll need if you're going to have a lorikeet or a lory is a cage, water and food bowls, sturdy bird toys designed for small size birds, perches that are 5/8 inch to 1.5 inch diameter, and sandpaper perches aren't recommended. A mister for frequent bird showers, which you want to give 3 to 5 times a week, or you can offer a shallow bowl of lukewarm water for a bath and then remove it when the bird is finished. You'll also want plastic to place on the floor around the cage because these birds produce very messy stool. Now for food, again, these birds are not seed eaters. They eat nectar. So you'll need to purchase powdered nectar replacement diet. For example, something made by Lefebvre. And you'll need to add water to it and change it daily to prevent spoilage. Provide plenty of fresh water. Offer small amounts of fresh fruits and vegetables. Remove uneaten food quickly to prevent spoilage. You can offer small amounts of lory pellets. Lorikeets and lories are susceptible to iron storage disease, so avoid feeding large amounts of fruits that are high in vitamin C, such as strawberries, cantaloupe, papaya, and citrus fruits, because large amounts of vitamin C can increase the risk of iron storage disease. Do not feed avocado, caffeine, chocolate, alcohol, high-fat foods, or foods with a high salt content. Some dangers to avoid: if the bird is allowed to fly in the house, make sure that you observe it at all times. Turn the ceiling fans off, close and cover windows and screen doors, close toilet lids, don't have open pots on the stove with water, and don't have sinks filled with water. Some inhalant toxins for birds are heated non-stick cookware, perfume, and aerosols including hairspray, smoke, pesticides, and insecticides. Some other toxins include hobby glue, bleach, disinfectants, and cleaning products. Because lorikeets and lories drink a lot of water, veterinarians need to be careful when adding antibiotics to their water. Plan to interact with your lory or your lorikeet each day. Purchase several sturdy, small bird-sized safe toys and rotate them in and out of usage in the cage to provide variety. Lorikeets and lories can learn to mimic a few words and can learn tricks. Rainbow lorikeets might sleep on their backs with their legs in the air.